Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? I hope you all are fine. Students, welcome to the lesson number 3 of unit number 7 from Iqra Applied Grammar 1. Students, as you know, the topic of unit number 7 is modal verb can, cannot, and you know very well we use can, cannot for telling abilities. Whenever we have to talk about our abilities, we use can, cannot modal verb. For example, I can read a storybook, I can write a letter, I can speak in English, I can help my mother, I cannot drive a car, I cannot ride a bike, I cannot insult someone, I cannot slap my brother, like this. Okay, students, and you know very well that we have covered some book activities in the first 2 lessons. Now in today's lesson we are going to cover spoken activities. So let's start with today's lesson. Okay, my dear students, before starting our today's activity, which is learn to speak, we are going to read and discuss the given word bank, and your big book should be open in front of you, and you will read the given words with me. Let's start. Help, wash, study, take a bath, talk, offer prayer, drink, sleep, rest, laugh, once again laugh, ask questions, obey, take, walk, run, jump, drive, play, swim, fight, hurt, insult, tease, yell, shout and slap. Clear, students? Now the word bank is showing verbs. ठीक है, ये जो भी वर्ड बैंक गिवन है इसमें हमें सब जो वर्ड्स हैं हमें ये एक्शंस के बारे में बता रहे हैं. ऑल द गिवन वर्ड्स आर वर्ब्स, दीज आर एक्शंस, वर्ब्स. ओके, सो इसमें से बहुत से ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो बहुत इजी हैं, आपको मीनिंग्स पता हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल हेल्प, टू हेल्प समवन, यू नो ना. वॉश क्लॉथ्स, स्टडी, टेक अ बाथ, टेक अ बाथ मीन टेक अ शॉवर, लाइक दिस, टेक शॉवर, नहाना. Talk, offer prayer, drink, sleep, rest, laugh. Laugh mean you can say make an amusing sound. Laugh mean हंसना. ठीक है. Ask questions. Obey mean yes, to listen someone and follow the instructions. Okay, obey बात मानना, फरमाबरदारी करना, किसी का कहना मानना. take something, walk, run, jump, drive. These are very easy words, you know the meanings na. Play, swim in the water, like this. Fight mean झगड़ा करना किसी के साथ. hurt mean to hurt someone, किसी को कोई तकलीफ देना. insult, speak rudely, you can say, किसी के साथ बदतमीजी करना. insult, like this, speak rudely. tease mean irritate, to make someone irritate. yell mean shout और yell इनका एक ही मीनिंग है. ठीक है, चीखना, शोर करना. and slap mean strike someone with hand. ओके, किसी को भी फेस पे स्ट्राइक करना अपने हाथ से, तो उसको हम स्लैप बोलेंगे. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो ये वर्ब्स एक्शंस हैं सारे, और ये डेली रूटीन में हम बहुत से काम कर रहे होते हैं जो आप देख भी सकते हैं. यू विल लर्न द गिवन वर्ड बैंक बाय हार्ट एंड यू विल यूज द वर्ड बैंक इन ओरल एंड रिटन एक्टिविटीज़. ओके बेटा, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद स्पोकन एक्टिविटीज़. Okay students, learn to speak activity A. What we are going to do: ask your partner about his or her ability to do something. Clear students? And whenever we have to talk about ability, so what we use can, cannot. Very nice. So it means they should be a partner with me, na? तो तभी हम ये एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. So let's start this activity with the help of a partner. Okay students, let's start today's activity with the help of partner. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Okay, tell 2 things that you can do and 2 things you cannot do in the class.
I can help my friend in the class. I can study in the class. I cannot sleep in the class. I cannot run in the class.
Very nice, excellent. Okay students, next one. Tell 2 things that you can do and 2 things you cannot do at home. And for answer you can take the help from the word bank.
I can take a bath at home. I can help my mother at home. I cannot tease my brother at home. I cannot shout at home.
Yes, very nice. In this way you will select your answers from the word bank. Next one. Okay students, next one. Tell 2 things that you can do and 2 things you cannot do in break time.
I can drink juice in break time. I can laugh in break time. I cannot ask question in break time. I cannot insult my friend in break time.
Very nice, excellent. Next one. Tell 2 things that you can do and 2 things you cannot do in masjid.
I can help anyone in masjid. I can offer prayer in masjid. I cannot fight in masjid. I cannot yell in masjid.
Very nice, excellent. Okay students, we can say I can help someone. Okay beta, someone we use with positive sentences and anyone we use with negative sentence. I cannot tease anyone, you can say I can help someone. Okay students, let's move forward towards activity B of learn to speak. Okay students, B activity. Now tell the whole class about your partner's abilities. As you can see, we both are girls, so my partner is a girl, so I am going to tell her abilities to the whole class. For example, she can take a bath, she can offer prayer, she can help someone, she cannot insult anyone, she cannot yell in the masjid, she cannot shout. Like this you will tell your partner's abilities to the whole class. Clear students? Okay students, our next spoken activity is ask and reply, and you know very well in this activity we learn how to give short answers. Students, are you getting me? So let's start our activity. Okay beta, can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Okay, now let's move forward towards this next second part of ask and reply. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Can you ride a bike?
No, I can't.
Can your father drive a car?
Yes, he can.
Can your mother cook pasta?
Yes, she can.
Can your brother swim?
Yes, he can.
Can you play hockey?
Yes, I can.
Okay students, in this way you will practice the spoken activities, and you can use the given word bank for giving answers, and you have to learn the given word bank by heart, and you will practice on your rough copies, and you have to send your recordings in your school groups. We will meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.